natural treatment for cough or tuberculosis. Excessive cough or tuberculosis is a contagious infection that usually attacks your lungs. It can also spread to other parts of your body, like your brain and spine. The type of bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes it. Today I am going to share with you a natural remedy for cough or tuberculosis. Hello, welcome to Alternative Medicine. Here on this channel we teach alternative medicinal treatment for diseases, ailments and sicknesses. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I upload a video you will be notified. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Thank you. Now let's continue. Ingredients: 1. Bitter cola. 2. Ginger. 3. Garlic. 4. Original honey. Preparation: 1. Get 20 pieces of bitter cola. 2. 20 pieces of ginger. 3. 5 bulbs of garlic. Cut all into pieces and blend. Mix it with 1 bare bottle of original honey. Dosage: drink 2 tablespoons 3 times daily for 3 weeks or until disease disappeared. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I upload a video you will be notified. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Thanks for watching.